The air hose looked harmless, and that is why people misuse it. The donkey professor calls compressed air a quiet weapon because pressure turns jokes into injuries. A worker uses air to clean dust from clothing because it feels fast and routine. He points the nozzle too close toward skin, into a glove, or into a sleeve opening. The trigger taps, and pressure finds a path through a tiny cut or thin tissue. The surface wound looks small, but inside, the damage is not small at all. The professor freezes the moment and explains injection injuries. Air and debris can travel under skin and through tissue planes. Swelling builds, circulation can be threatened, and infection risk rises even when the outside looks fine. That delayed severity is part of the hazard because people wait, and waiting costs outcomes. He points to the failure chain. No pressure regulation, no training, and a culture that treats air as safe because it is invisible. Then he kills the PPE illusion. Gloves do not stop injected air, and fabric does not cancel pressure. A joke becomes an emergency when force meets skin, and pressure does not care about mood. He gives the controls clearly. Regulate air used for cleaning, and never point air at any person. Never use air to clean clothing or skin. Use vacuums, brushes, and extraction instead. If air must be used on equipment, keep distance, control direction, and guard the work zone. He adds the medical rule. If a high-pressure airstream contacts skin, treat it as serious immediately. Do not wait for pain to prove it, because the worst injury can be hidden at first. The donkey professor leaves one line that sticks. Pressure does not care if you were joking. Type this in the comments. Safety first. Subscribe to join the few who seek truth, and share this with a warrior who